Okay, so there's our inside. So I'm going to cross break first. Line up your two opposite corners. A little bit of a pull up. Like I said, I won't bore you. This will be the last one. I'll build that last piece and I'll show you how I hammer it together. So I got your nice cross break here. I like it. And then let's do our two Pittsburghs. The scribe don't look right. What the hell? I'll rescribe that. It looked screwy there.